Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn what is a multiplexer. Basically, what is a multiplexer? Multiplexer is a combinational circuit. Multiplexer. So, multiplexer is a combinational circuit. It is a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to single output. So basically, it means it will have many inputs and single output, directs it to single output. For example, I can say there are so many inputs. So let us suppose input 1, input 2, input 3, so on. But how many outputs you'll have? You'll just have one output. And in between this inputs and outputs, there will be one selection line. Selection line. And this is your single output. So it means you'll have many inputs and output will only be one. So let me just show it with one example. You can draw this as, this is the symbolic representation of multiplexer. In between you'll write. See, there are many types of multiplexer. For example, you have 2 to 1 multiplexer, 4 to 1, 8 to 1, 16 to 1, and 32 to 1. We'll see one by one later. As of now, this is the diagram for the multiplexer. So basically, I'm having inputs will be denoted by I0, I1, I2, so on and so forth up to I to the power 2n minus 1. So these are the input lines. So inputs will be 2 to the power n. So how many outputs you'll have? Irrespective of inputs, you will have only one output. So I'll write it here. Only one output. And these are the switches. Selection lines. Sorry. Not switches. These are the selection lines. So I'll tell this as S0, this as S1, and this, the last one would be Sn minus 1. So in this figure, 2 to the power n means number of inputs. 2 to the power n means number of inputs. So what is n? N is number of selection lines. Number of selection lines. And you'll have only one output. Thank you.